Jasemet iprung saylam nevele thotare tum discuss manji hini a topic ni jasemet ka discuss mate ka sitan manji bage number 1 lage 21 no Borjan constituency along 18,000 bighas along le APDCL atum pen petir pi ponsi solar project hada ke som manji ta sobuta lapen number 2 bangala hello uniform civil code lage common law bosi tum kupon me lapen pethe dan kado kabe aron a name a khe ku prek pin pen ji ku pin pen labang so isi aron selam le nasi labang so aron government of India pen bichun dia tulutan te ire tum kana ho ku pipi lapen ali na sonia ku ta sene tum ta sene se than ji nasi non aprang si tum se than ji bangala hello 21 non Borjan constituency Jasemet labangso APDCL tumpen company tumpen halada council atum rong arab aphan thang ka chidon dun abe pinpen halada solar project ki som nam dia pansa tum kabori lasi labangso solar project Rajasthan mon ponong already installed tangdu lasi halabangso along tame kopi pilo kana hok polo tangte labangso solar project ke sompe longle ka chinghang laposon lonang lo lang ke kreng kang sip lapen apro kaprek monon pi ke so tame tum ke longge pan changes du lapen number 2 bang hello halada arada tum comment 2 ni bene longle phelang check engine thare jang hong ki pathir tan sai selo yang checking tan sai selo lason hirga pidame council atum ke ther ke happen labangso project ke som danji tangka joine pu labangso along Jasemet labangso alam neli apransi kursing timu haseli jupon po lasi labangso 29 nong Borjan constituency along labangso 18,000 bighas along le bangke solar project pansi jordet po council atum 18,000 bighas pulatante Borjan constituency ke achetim plat dak pulai tum pudam plat dak lo lagi tangde halada arara tum kona lo ke tu po la se apran sineli na le fase apor pilo la sokka
asi solar project jitum Karbi Anglong no mangso ahur chi chudut no bangso hori pa chudut do dai PSL zein masitum pa chudut no jadi ke cheng sinili nongle la bangso rara pan isika pachani nani alam thila mangela hello solar project aku take Karbi Anglong keyakinan sot kalilan kusini di jong ponji ate Karbi Anglong ke dam thopilo jom hala small hala electric project islam ya tadolan hydro project hala bangso ke islam ji adi bandolan non itu adien da lana suna pul jumla long sokan thu lapen ihin ke ha tak longka hala pudai tum selam melang di ke pu don la don suri long thoma din ke la bangso power la bangso meri hinga jakkom enji adin dolan lasi ilitum Karbi Anglong ke solar project ke akenan sot kalilang la bangso non la bangso Karbi Anglong autonomous council kacaria CM ke lake amena ale apa lapen adon arara pan ale pan lapen EM MP MLA dum amena atum ale pan chot kusini le jong kon itu walang toman athe la bangso ale gelong ke Karbi atum le ale gelong nji kali Karbi tum bangkon na goreng ron ko bang ho penang ka tracking long stolong ni jong si employee ke papat ning han protang de tulong ke already dulu master ke chesor bipe den no 30 department to Karbi la penglong sot pilabot employee ke Karbi dum silong po gente ipolo te hala pian de no la employee long po bangkon long inali guarantee ni manang to kato nale tulong ke employee ki pia jak tong gabe Karbi Anglong CM tuliram rong han omor sing tiso ke hai dor sing rong han ke hai surjo rong phar ke hai na tum bangso ki PG jak tong abe to boreng war sai PG athe Karbi Anglong autonomous council ke nale tum lari deng abe lagi labangso council labangso 6 dul ke nang tulo ja ko mami 2% de Karbi atum pini teacher Karbi atum silong lap kete people Karbi so jahan pini pakoi roi sin hang tang chongda damna thi bang thi laganan tu ningdo mate botata master eklemi afane Karbi Anglong so jahan jolo non LG eklemi hana ja kongdelo nang tu bangkona Karbi afane Anglong so ban nang tu ikilo nang tu Karbi Anglong ara phana tu labang so details Karbi aketum laan kilong pernah tu cepat klien aja kong domai barat pasti paklang dah no. Niri tum jam si Karbi Anglong council kacari long leputang te non kedo employee ke CSO han 6 do teng ben kali tum an phange tum ke alabang so a service maka job pe tum cancel ka jin tum ke da kelon ke 6 do teng pen Karbi atum Anglong aso tum tum pichoti labang tum ninjibi no nang tu non illegal kan tame nili tum ke hala hindi la asamis lam pe pai CC pe nang tum han ek ta koi gunim pe hai lasam tum te mini tum ke aron teng pe ta constitution teng pe law teng pe hala bang so teng pe sinang tum han binang ta li beg lagi nang tum ning ki pe rat tum kami ke tame APSLC lo ke bang lo protang te non ke do na le ke tum han an congress punoi BJP punoi leader sumhan an ke fata nang lo le tunge nang tar li begil si masih ni la bang pachila sulap nang lam di 4000 crore na tu tangka joine pensi nang li Karbi atum hanon ke pas sungia bidi sinang tu declaim aprang sinang tu mana julan Karbi Anglong tu mas council tu mana julan Difu railway stationary ke do ki CSO phan pini notice pialo kopi bosin ang tum khangche go lagang solam theba Karbi Anglong tum mas council kachari tum prabjit na lam class pi hai nahi kopi bosin ang tum khang trangting lo pipo bosin ang tum election claim phele go lagang solam theba tum rara phan prabjit pen clarjit pi nahi Karbi Anglong ra phan kopi a the ke do sila bang so election abang tum khangche lo lagang solam tum chining tum lo tum Karbi Anglong ra tum lasi nola 4000 crore atangka commandment amen doma itu rinang tarli bilang lata ONGC long commandment amen si doma rinang tarli ti lapen 4 long mo penang tu Syria ko pinang tu press ni long doldi Syria long retesting hill hala pu lang tipu kana retesting hill amen dokop non council deputy a chairman non bagi deputy kalau non bagi IM alang ya men do Syria Karbi phang Syria men ali phanke compensation ang pipe ko nang tum kaninge ta nang tum nang ho chikili ge dalo ha rar phan ahlo nang tum palu la pen ni tum la borjana rat phan election thlo ke tum nang chak che Karbi Anglong rat ge athe nang tum han CM nang paman lo MP nang paman lo la pen IM nang paman lo MLA nang paman lo MSC nang paman lo nang tum hasi pini election ji ahem ari pri pumang ke APSLC pen ke lapen Karbi Anglong ara ke nang sedon thila bangang tum ning chipna me arona teng pen tum e lano le pachini
la se ladak ni jogon thulang non council atum ke thege dinga tum fansi ni jasimet jogna council ke thege dinga tum ke ahem a background le laksada gari humni humthom hem mesen hem ke chardon ki matum sai selo da ke BPL ke kalipilu bilo poverty line attack se lo tang det pini council ong ke claim ke dam atum IMCM ben cheng lo la tum an cholong le den an cholong le den la so tu thang ni ta
oke na le ko
a hem tir kring lo ka chiki la si pini la tum an ka chonam phan tang ka be jan ma hidu ke la akhi along le ki thi pen la tum jin so se ma ke du ke la tum hem ari
la pen silam mote ha penang itu lumat tadi, latung ahem ta anculong, ahem ta luxury,
gari humpli humpot
luxury, ahem cikim elo, luxury gari along le helang atum dortal, sita alang tu pinian yang ta Karbi ki du kela, ahem rakhang akar ni kemalong le sitini ki chidam ya ahem ipie punang tum jinso sema, tapi sialam nilai pudam ji bangkel lah hello. Non Karbi Anglong ra nang thur bag anima aron pen non APSL si aron pen lok si claim nam tu labang ning chibi dame omor sing kiso ke hai lapen non Karbi Anglong ASEAN tuliram orang ke Japon MP MLA MSC tu nang ning chibi dame non Karbi tum la ala ke duglo nana tum la an son si nana tum corruption ke claim lo hal ai wai hem pen chenglok sang kipi pen chenglok development di pen chenglok nang le tum kai ke tarat han labang so development di bitani pan sampai kelar si aku non long le nang tum kichidam tulang kulo tangte nalima thata non la tum ningkan suri pen labang so ram alang tum han arang tum aram cipielo
Karbi
dan pong pan check in labang so ai dia long le pen si a hem ari somar pan anin momen ka cepat paculong lo. Si nana tu labang so along leki cidam ji pua bang ke nana tu kajin so munit pu angkin doma lima lalu nang tu mata kami.
Lapen ladak aku ke pathera tu sulang tu. Nang tum jong sila signature nang pidun de orang tum jong sila so signature nang pidun de pulang de polis ang pandai. Dan kita kusunan junang poko.
Lasi niri kudami bang ke lahelo. Polis ke pandai dami akansi nang tu election action nama. Nila bangsa nang junang tu ha. Rarapan nang tu labang so alam nang tu long labang so aja kong dokok. Council long iem aja kong dokok. Siem aja kong dokok. Poma senang tu labang so senang tu peceparok kadi. Jom senang tu la an peceparok hai pulutan te. Ladak di pualong. Railway ari ke do ke che so phanang tu people chiparo ka hele ke people nang tum phera hele na bang sola nang tum rano people nang tum na class pi hele ke non ki du bo ka Karbi phansi 44 vera Karbi phansi nang tum phera hai chor ki tu me na ke o ke che so phanang tum people phera hele ke lahela bang tum nang pa hai hele ke Karbi Anglong ram labang sola nang tum ning chibilo Litum jong si APSL si Karbi Arat nang ajin so dolo pelutang te muke hayani haladak kod along si tong na lapen jail along si tong na kuan sinong tung aron klemima aron pen
nili nalilo matupo sabi non ke hay sa kirong parong sine dampo nili kachinya teng pelutang te polis atum ke men tu sikinet nei ma men tu sikinet ta nei ma laso putak ladak pen itum langji pelutang te Criminal Procedure Code kodo lake komanya ke noklen de polotan de police atum ke nerja romlo lapen jail pen jang de pen akisi tame ke langi aja kong lapen kukuson si ke claim nangji ma ke dam nangji ma lapen kupi pia aja kong duma hadak to kendo lasi nili Criminal Procedure Code along por hilo penangan ke sedame haladak ke na hoka tokte je ake mia to masih police ne nai butokte udah ke crime के claim तो मासी पुलिस के नियम नहीं रोंग वाला तो फान को पिलो नॉन अमे ठंग का डिफेंस हो रोंग वाला तुमके दी अमे ठंग लोंग लेकी पोन पोनो अमे ठंग लोंग लेकी पोन पो मीन साला काउंसिल में की थी पो तंग दे रोंग वाला तो तुमसी इलीगल मा काउंसिल तुमसी इलीगल हो डिफरेंटली काउंसिल तुमसी क्रिमिनल हो लगे काउंसिल तुमसी लोंग लेकी थी मोरी लगे तंग दे नॉन तुम दा बोर्ड जगह आरा फाने तुम ये थान की मुंह नहीं मांगना है नो alangnya tuh ke genuine lo, ame tanggal lo lelo di, tapi polis ke ter ke happen ke na tuh kiri nanti, bahkan masih lah tuh nanti ter nanti happen ke tuh kiri ke
oh kelang,
dan tas non nam tapi po, niliya kaya sarkir long farmasi niliya 4 people po, labang solar project 18,000 bighas along le lake almost borjan ke aja tim plug dah lo boleh macam long le dam plane po, lapen haladak 15 kilometers from the main, haladak install adi perke tanggal dak claim ngede ji usia lang to me panda ko lalu pon de monothi kachutiki kachulam lapen ason itu kheti badi ke claim panda me itu maka siksa to ko lapen pejo pen ile tum long le pans da me lason akan hok to ko kreng peji lason mu lasi labang solar project bang kaprek state ke reject a project datang deh Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tuh kopi apa sih kedeng dulu deh lah tangka ajoin nih mah kopi ajoin nih lo masuk kita
jadi tumlong ke abemar do abemar do ke lah lo hola बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान हमार होता है पाकिस्तान हमार होता बांग्लादेशी हिंदू बांग्लादेशी तुम्हान मिजोरम ना पोनो मते लुसा हिल्स ना पोनो बांगे हरा का नांगे को गारो हिल्स ना ला तुम्हान बिदा मी फान रिफ्यूजी तुम्हान पोनला हा गारो हिल्स ना बिदा उनता बांग हाला सुदा रिजेक्ट दे बाबा कपे कुना पोनो लामोन तिरवा उलान दा प्रोजेक्ट बांग रिजेक्ट बासे दे हमार दा नाका हमें लोग बांगे रोम कुद लोग बांगे यू आर वेलकम को वेलकम दर मानो बांगे हमारे क्या कंसिक्वेंसी के लागाम लोग लोगों पे nearly 80% বা 90% के लगे बांग्लादेशी साथी
अब फुल चीज़ ये चाहिए लोगों
को ऐसे टिकट ना पीछे ना लाले लामो same thing happen in the border areas in the border sometimes itu mana ceplang lo bang kapal ke step dum ka reject tahan amang se ini tu membangke onda nesen buko nanti they are simply destroying the land they are destroying the land
so to say grabbing the land of legal settlers legal settlers malong lesi council akunke they are trying to grab the land by illegally
forcefully they are destroying the land lalu masih long lagi apa namanya jenam no kapal ke step tunggu langsung cepat play ini tekom no tekom even in Nagaland even the political leader in Meghalaya if you look at the political in Mizoram they are very much patriotic atap timon pik tunggu deh nah Mizoram son asam police atu man ta Mizoram police atu nang padu dong le kulung deh kita tekom no gedi even the MP from Mizoram what he speak from Delhi people ala ni kan aja they are very lucky that we didn't kill them all if they come again we shall kill them all but direct MPs kan inge they lahai horbudak one ladang ke lahai illegally ladang di rong masuk itu ke tumalong lena long na ke grabji ladang na ke wan ka ladang tu mana ka khaleji pulang people se dak kunjo kunjo this is a position 2-3 months back I was in Shillong I was wondering one evening I was wandering near that Dhanketi area, Shillong Dhanketi area. I was wandering there, and I was having fast food with my friend. And what happened? Suddenly, there came 2-3 cars, and they stopped where we are eating that. We are taking that street food. And kaya kopi lo, hada kan yang cono bangga hada that MLA tu, Meghalaya lo nado MLA tu, minister asumsi la street food itu ngicono nangisur. Hada cuma mau somarado. Bang a friendly people getting kita orang kau nak ada kaya dia please come join with us lapu saya deh bang
so to say they are very much
kau ini kau nak tuh tadi ini kan kau ini kan sambil sebeli dum bilang mati cuma kau nak thangla mengecing ki anu tadi they are taking some plate of momos and they are distributing among themselves
it means that they are supporting to the matters
yes see ada Shillong lo mati leader satu political leader satu I'm not saying that they are from a BJP or some other political parties. Aja party dah mesti dah. Kami kan nak kaya cing one guru dia di public relation ni. Ini tu malah dah pun tengok ini macam.
Kithi.
Mungkin dah pen relationship mungkin tu tengok ke. Phone pen keter, lapen ke long keter, dong kithi. Police ke toy lalok mati. Lapen tu mai tu malah dah mai. Itu mana kerja pun itu mana tu. Ni tu macam apa kerja kami tu mana tu. Hempret ke mana tu mana tu. Munit pen kacing kici au lam them ta they don't have a speech ta mane munit kan ani perlu cok speech ta nije dekhi lahir mai tu munit tu nasi borjan on borjan on that delo even they are destroying the environment
yes
non man Meghalaya on son ke bang they are even Meghalaya government they are planting more trees pine trees
yes
and here we are destroying the forest we are destroying the trees environment phalang lu lahir mai tu munit tu nasi ningduk lo lahai di Karbi Anglong ado solar project dah delo asong hormon ke ban kan that settlers tumpang ketoy lapan gelatakan kathare and one of the thing they is on the link itu naik ke the saddest part is that the last 2-3 days ni hala the hills emissary ko pace lo nang lo hala dak to pilo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kan dia hala occupier sa tumpang si Karplung ko how dare they are writing this kind of words occupier occupiers mane refugee ko teng mati refugee I cannot get that section of paragraph 20 long tribal areas we the tribal people have the right to live in the forest ang la kuma sa occupiers din rasono pulotang te chipu gaji pulotang te nona council kachari tunda ha forest bithi bonglega pinatan la tunda occupiers to mante
Toleran mahanta dulu kan.
Ladak non itu kira nang ni bang galai lo Jong si leaders polotang te songja polotang te itu tum forkimota itu ingcapote themai. Spartans a movies itu nang te theglong. Ke masih bang ya ciga sudah cipijat. Langsung hai mai tu leaders. Itu leaders ke kiduk ke la atau pan heme jangre te kok tiki atau along le a property si kiti. People polotang te people lo polotang te latung bang ke thiok sita nang theke kanga theke because they are ignorant, because they don't have the knowledge how to defend themselves. Lahai mo mati ke nang robot lasi APHL si pen ke laso bang nang sedong dini tungge nang tum koson sina ekle ma nili tum manda aron do nang tum jong si kachene kaulo polotang te nitum ta kasi defensive bang ke aron do nitum ta IPC do CRPC do. If you don't come straightly and by backside, then we have another formula how to defend ourselves. That is what we want to clarify to Team Karbi Anglong. Non nang tu people, sarjaya kata long sinon nang tu po, la sopi, uniform civil code nitum discuss po. Lasi sir, one of the burning issues, latest burning issues is that my own home constituency, that is Borjan. I am from Borjan. So the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council as well as the APDCL, there, I think they have already discussed the method that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they are going to install or they are going to establish solar project more than 18,000 bighas. You see, so 18,000 bighas of land is not a small thing, or we can say that it is, so to say, half of Borjan constituency will be occupied by the council. So, as per my opinion, it is illegal. So, what do you say about this?
This solar project, we have heard now that it will be in Borjan constituency.
Yes, sir.
That is bordering Nagaland and
yes.
Golaghat. So far I know is that the whole power that will be generated will be taken to Golaghat. The land is being used, the Karbi Anglong land will be used, but the power will be taken to Golaghat, Nagaon and other plain districts.
Yes.
They do not want to use their own land there. They have their land, but they do not want to use their own land. They want our land. The idea is to take away the land which is under the tribal people, under the 6th schedule. So they are taking away, or they going to occupy our land through the back door, in the name of solar project. The power that will be generated will be taken to the plain districts, not for us. If they want to give us the power, the electric power, then the electric power that has been generated at Amtereng, hydroelectric power, that is still better, and Paklongkam, and in Umrongso, Longso Kangtu, all these would have been all these have been utilized in Karbi Anglong only. But now it is not like that. The power is taken there. Amtereng, see, where the Amtereng itself, now when we talk it will be too long, but Amtereng, we demanded at the time in 2002, we demanded that distribution center should be either at Amtereng itself or at Boithalangso. For the power that will be generated, it has to be distributed now. The center should be Boithalangso and or in Amtereng. What did the government of Assam say? The government of Assam say that if the distribution center is Boithalangso or in Amtereng, then it will be very costly for them to take to Guwahati. So the distribution center should be at Kahilipara in Guwahati. And so by force, they have taken the power to Guwahati. The big high tension line is going above us, 40, 50, 60 kilometers above us from Amtereng to Novang district, through Novang district. But under this high tension power, it is all dark because there is no power.
Or the energy has been supplied to the plain area.
Plain area,
Yes.
not in Karbi Anglong. So, the same thing will be happening in Borjan also. Now we are talking only of Borjan.
Yeah.
But in Langther, the government is going to acquire 20,000 bighas for solar project at Langther, that is near Bokulia.
Yes.
Why is there? Why it should be there? Why both of the solar power should be in Karbi Anglong?
Yes.
We have plenty of hydroelectrical powers.
In Karbi Anglong.
Yes, in Karbi Anglong it is produced in Karbi Anglong. So it is more than enough we have.
Yeah.
So why should we
install solar power?
install the solar power here more?
Yes.
And that also at the cost of large areas of land, tribal people land. And now the council is saying that the land does not belong to tribal people. They say that it is NC area. NC, that is non-cadastral. Non-cadastral, the word non-cadastral means it is not properly surveyed yet. It is without pata. It has not been, pata has not been issued to anybody. That is the meaning. But in 6th schedule area, when the 6th schedule was made, 6th schedule says during this constituent assembly debate also, it is said that the land law of the tribal people, which is already in existence, should be utilized and it should be modified or improved. Now, we have been always having our own land. The land we have been having before the 6th schedule came into being or before independence, it doesn't mean that we have not got no land law. Our land law prepared by our king
at that time.
Our kings, Karbi king, Kuki kings, Dimasa king, Rengma king, Siam king, Garo king, Khasi king, Tiwa king. Those have been the laws which we have been utilizing. We have been holding land not without any law. We have been holding land with the legalized law, that is accepted law. And it has been accepted by the 6th schedule, the people who have made the 6th schedule also. So, the land cannot be called NC area. These are already pata land of the people. Ram. In Karbi people, Karbi word, it is Ramhok. Ramhok has already went to the Karbi people already. And such name, it may be in whatever name called. A kind of pata has already been given to Kuki people also. Under the law of the Kuki people, under the law of the Khasi people, under the law of the Garo people, under the law of the Rengma people, under the law of the Siam people, under the law of the Dimasa people, these Tiwa people, all this land, the land which we have been occupying has been administered under our law already. So it is not NC law. It is, we cannot say that these are government cast land. We cannot say that these are government empty land without any, we cannot say that these were without any owners. The owners were already there.
Yes.
Now, the only mistake that our Karbi Anglong Council has made was in 1953. Without considering the 6th schedule, they accepted a law imposed by the government of Assam
That
under the signature of Chief Secretary of Assam S.K. Dotto. So this is illegal according to
Yes, yes,
the
according
law of the law imposed by the government under the signature of the Chief Secretary cannot be accepted in 6th schedule area.
and 6th Schedule Autonomous Council cannot directly accept the laws made by the state or made by the central
Government, any other law.
Any other law.
But more so, mainly this land law, especially because land is the real reason why 6th schedule was made.
Yes, was made. Yes.
Land is the main reason.
Yes.
So why did the council people this Mikir Okora they have been accepting, and why this even the present CM, present MLA, present MP, present CEM, why do they still remain Mikir Okora?
Yes.
They should not.
Yeah.
And we, this APHLC, we are teaching the people all this law to wipe out the stigma of being Mikir Okora.
Yes.
Sudah betul lah istilah. Ala solar alam lah ini, karen alam. Ini tuh karen gitu ke amtereng kado, lapen isi ke karbilang tilo. Setelah bangso karbilang tilo pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen agreement long. Karbi Anglong tuh kuan si revenue ke long mapin yang ada Karbi Anglong tak tempat langkalan. Labang itu cini nih. Athe kuan si tuh ke long mah pini yang ada Karbi Anglong labang solam cini pilan. Kasi non APHLC labang so talk show kasi Karbi Anglong kan kapacin lo itu prapjen pen. Labang solam klar ke itu Karbi Autonomous Council pen itu hangan kau lagi.
And then, if they really want to make more power out of hydroelectric electric power, we still have so many waterfalls.
Yes.
Lots of waterfalls. And Linchika.
Yes.
Linchika and Bichitur. So many, I know about Bichitur and Linchika because when I was in the government of Assam, we made a plan through the Assam Energy Development Agency. There is Assam Energy Development Agency.
Assam
Energy Development Agency. The office is in the coal tower,
Development Agency.
agency. And the office is there, and then the real office is in Shilpukuri. Shilpukuri. There, the office is there. The officer was very good. He was very kind to us, and we worked together for 3 years. We measured the Q-sec, that is the power of Q-sec, that is water flow of per second. Q-sec was measured for 3 years, and it was found out that micro hydel project was very much feasible in that area. Very feasible in the world. Feasible, yes, in fit. It is fit for that. Solar. It could be done. But at that time, this Assam Energy Development Agency people sadly told us that this APDCL, ASEB did not allow them to make. Why? Because later on we found out if it is small ones are made, then it will be consumed in Karbi Anglong only.
Yes.
Clever people.
So
clever but cunning people.
Cunning
people, not intelligent but cunning people, but not wise. They may be intelligent but they are not wise. What did they? So they have done like that, and so they did not implement that the plan which we have already made. Technically, everything by the engineer themselves it is made, not by me. I only showed the place where to be made, and some 9 places I have pointed out at that time.
And already they have been explored.
They have explored, surveyed already. 9 places.
Okay.
And I submitted the 9 places list also to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at that time. But none of them is implemented because the smaller scheme they do not want to take because they cannot take out of Karbi Anglong. They want to take out of Karbi Anglong only. only not for Karbi Anglong, to take out of Karbi Anglong only.
That is also
They will sit and then consume everything.
Yes.
By doing anything.
Yes.
Just they will sit and
They don't mind whether
Yeah.
we die or not,
Yes.
whether our land become Mulubhumi or not, desert or not, they don't care. Only they want power from us. They will utilize for their own comfort,
Yeah.
for their own development, not for the development and comfort of the hill tribes people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasao.
And the mistake is our leader.
Yes, our leaders.
They are not patriotic.
Yes,
They
yes.
don't love their land. They don't love their people.
They
don't
still
care.
accept.
They don't care their people.
Yes, they still accept that stigma,
Yeah.
Mikir Okora. So they still want to remain Mikir Okora. This our CM, EM minister, MP and all, MLA. They always still want to be Mikir Okora, pretending to be very clever,
Yeah.
to get money, just say.
Yes. And then the last one, what I wanted to say is that still the autonomous council, so to say the EM, CM, the chairman as well as the MP, the MLAs, they are from the same group, so to say. Just, so to say, in Assamese language, so to say, Bepari. Bepari. Just they want to sell their own land. They want to earn lots of money, whether that land is illegal or so to say legal or illegal or legal. They wanted to sell out everything from what they have or what we have already. So we the MPHLC stand firm and want to clarify the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that they should not commit such illegal act to our people. That is poor people,
Yes.
poor and needy people. That is the village, the people of Borja, so to say. If the council commits, then we are ready to face anything.
And we request,
Yeah.
yes, we fervently request the CM, EMs, MACs, and the MLAs and MPs not to remain Mikir Okora.
Yes. If they wanted to, so to say, a wise man, so this Mikir Okora should remove from their own, so to say, from their mind, from their mind. Yes.
From their body. Yes.
To kero pipar pilo, non lasi diretum kipu kantung magalahelo, kidup dat kilagat along le aphelang amuni datuma phanke lasang claim kadet nahi. Lake ke ther ke hap lok pen ke chok chilu lake. Now we are no, so to say, now the people of Borjan is also, so to say, now becoming wise, because we all the time try to explain or try to say or give awareness to the villagers. So they don't want the council as well as the APDCL to grab their land illegally. Lalu mesti, nasi itu peta Borjan Harar panda kami ning pete dono, nasi itu herinan ne, nali tumpang kita ke hap doda hai, sedame lahai kita ke hap doko kolam pe, nili tumda unan pena aja tumpu, lahelo. Lapenon dam tu pilo nang non next abang kalahan lo uniform civil code. Lasi ong tu ngatumbang ke uniform civil code lokan te kopilo lah kacini dam bang kabila. Lasi labang so uniform civil code ke lake non les selam go elam kali lage. Hala constitution kitip keteng lahusi labang so uniform civil code abang ke kijokdun. Laso uniform civil code larda pan langi pulotang te article 44 of the Indian Constitution. Hala dak itum purlo te theglong ko tomari tu. Lasi hala dak itok bangalason hello uniform civil code pulotang te itum update along. Kaprek anem kini matum tado akhai tado posi. Government tumange kopilo nang palu administration pansung group ke ranja pansung group kaprek alo do olo prodanta ke pangri pansung group setame la kali government intention make itu mo pang ko pima ke dota hormu ko pima ile tu malong ke cari bom hormu ko pima itu mo ki othe hormu bangke ke phalang loje pas la tum karle athema it is the duty of the government, it is the duty of the state government as well as the central government to know their own people, to know the laws of the tribal people. Lasi laso putasi non netum cetana po lasi apransi nili akai serjai katar pansi people po uniform civil code pulotan te one nation one law la isia det long isia ro si pinchong po la ke longle phelang tada nodun po property ke tha la pen pisok kachepangri aron kachiti aron la pen lada adoption pulotan te komane also fan osomara det pulotan te hala ke lana pa ke pangre no pen kibi la son aron do law ten pen la hai la pen is son bangke successor komala fansi non son property ka pijima chewoi ju ya ki pulotan te komala fansi ba ko la hai an tame non itum Karbi Anglong ni itum $60 ron pen dai itum longle pelang kache tha ka do ka be ke la ke $60 te ma si claim lu pangri pangdon dai itum ta jutang ko ko sila si claim lu setame laso aron jong si implemented Banon BJP, the so-called BJP, so to say, no, the ruling BJP government, they are trying to implement this. 44 of the Indian Constitution, there is Uniform Civil Code. So I'll go to Mr. Jayakathar, the president of APHLC, to give, to explain about Uniform Civil Code clearly. So now we have given time to you, sir.
Thank you. Uniform means uniform that is
similar,
equal or similar to all.
Yeah.
The same thing, same to all. Law, which is not army, it is civil.
Yeah.
Not army, not having to do anything with army. It is civil matter, not criminal. It is civil, not regarding killing or murder, anything that kind of not that kind of law, but it is some civil which is not criminal. That is the main thing. The Uniform Civil Code was mentioned in Article 44 of the Indian Constitution.
Yeah.
So far it is written that the law was not to have been, the article was not to have been included in the 6th schedule, in the Constitution of India.
Yes.
But the Congress people at the time, under Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister
of India,
Congress Prime Minister
at that time,
the first Prime Minister, he was compelled by women organizations and others to be in the Constitution of India. Arling pen ma, arling pen ki punang dia bangke. Laso
council kami itu English take dari kan.
Council tunda take ako rong sor panta ki memu chokia pan. Uniform Civil Code polite aron kachi biya pinene lake kachi pithi pin ya aron abang kali kachi pithi apan ka bisar aron abang uniform polite lake chingbarchi betul nak kadri non amat ke Muslim adum da ka prek law do private law do lapen Hindu adum da ka prek law do Brahmin adum ka prek law do Mamun adum lapen ke Christian adum da ka prek law do la so pot lo beda ni tu Christian abang ni li cicini ni tu Christian law lagi endali ni tu Karbi law si Karbi Christian no an Karbi law het kalima lang di Karbi law si ni tu ke kabia ka tu ko benta labang puan ni tu pan Christian no pan padigdar de de mini kadigdar ye bang isumi ye bang ke Karbi tu man si sumi ji Karbi tu man si sumi ji la ke Athema Karbi tu ke kabia niom kache pangri niom tu lape aron tu isu ke hang aron tu kapangri aron tu lapen kaciti aron pada tu seta Karbi tu mangai kaciti aron mangai penang penum abe apran ke non ke theka je krong man non ke dodun jai lo ke theka je krong amasi kaciti tu da do tu jai lo non man ke kahe no mangai charli dun da o ake me bang se charli dun ke der ili tum da isu lapan ka so Allah pulutan te alama bang ke la pulo son vet nai pulutan te bang ake ong nei amunit tu aning ke hang ling sijata biji ke dian te an ya ke ong nei tum pulute India Hindu tum an ke ong nei tum lo lata South India Hindu tum bang ta kali lata North India Hindu tu apa?
Bihar, UP.
Bihar, UP, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, lai hui Assam, aning ke hang aling si people. Lapor hal tu aning ke hang ating ki people. Lelo te anke ilitum Karbi atum aron ating pen ke Cepangri long ledet po, piso ke hang dalong ledet po, lapen ke bang hala bamun atum ke ba Hindu atum ke bang aku hiang ta Cepangri det hala tu mangke di Gosami hiang ta Cepangri det, Das hiang ta Cepangri det hala tu mangke anke mo uniform ison vet nai pulo te Karbi atum manda puda theklo nang tu aku hiang ta Cepangri melu di ba kabojat atum komande kabojat ache aot kelang no atum aku hiang Cepangri det po Cepangri det po mahakes dam jui po kadu ye pudun hurur po Karbi atum song e chok ke po bisar nun po Setahala tu bagi hak court case dalam jui po. Amat court case along ke la kabojat tu mangsi high to that on ke. La boye. An ke la son vibom lo te Karbi akai ke ki vir lan ke. Inglong arat Karbi chachelo akapre ka kai cuma ka do we tum sita ala ke ilitum custom ilitum methang aron abang ke ki vir lan ke je plan po. Lanjut takalina harus so uniform civil code pulo te long le ka che bak ka do we a case under civil law aputa angbong si ke do la civil law lagi
age lo lada ka phiri me bang ke civil procedure code bang mo ela implement je phancham je ko koda
kalang lo
long le phelang ala dak se general law mati non ke en ke ala ke property blogang de home property lo gadi soni do jung ka chini nai ma ke
CPC pudo
civil procedure code lasi lasor teng blogang de property itum home property ke hini do isia bang sar movable pulo lage gari motor share rupen se lo lalo la pen isi abang ke movable pulo movable along ke itum kan hok ke tam pula ke long le lo sa
kalang
lage 6 lo teng ko de itum ke non driver bang long le jono seda hala lena ka implement hote automatic sila ke conduct
CPCR civil law boleh te civil suit boleh buku an ke kidu de poba civil suit nang li claim put non ningkat ki cap dan juji lagi
kan trop cap
nang amunit ke case ke ki pia bang ki chu eta asopo bang da putu set dilang ala bang ke la son binak la bang ke la posi Karbi atum inglong arada tum ke la so uniform civil code ke lake endu nang nelu lage Christian name hongari name lage endu nang nelu ati ke poji ke Karbi buzi poji bakasi buzi poji halasilanji Christian boleh ke podamji kali la tuge Muslim cuma laliasan kapre hala tunda hopo la
uniform civil code memang dia pura
hala tunda pura pe hala tunda sumpo
Hala personal law bang
pawit to hala tume Muhammadan law to ko ke dongri bang hala jong si implement the Muhammadan law bang tunda sis dia ko
ai non Karbi Anglong student organization atu mangbong usuka po tu United Students Association of Karbi Anglong po tu mabang e Kroi dunde Lato mange nega julong ke lato mang Kroi dunde KSA tum Kroi dunde de Kroi dunde le ne chini ne la seta alang li tum ta Kroi dunde de jipusi ning kelo seta usuka tum mang Kroi dunde usuka tum mang Kroi dunde ma ke hala ke Karbi student atu kali amen si Karbi Anglong pu ke enchotan na Karbi Anglong ar lu si gedu lato ama si Karbi Anglong student lato mang ke kecil tum sai si ake ong ke kecil tu Mane ludun caya mat Karbi tu kan dun dia lo ne pilone sini dia lo seta ki dun lo pole te lai ki ludun lo pos ki dun lo
ta kero bi part lo sar tas non potwa sar kri rong harong se da po so pi kursing long da po na te tok so da bi to la se nalin pen comment minute isi ma hindi baksa po ki chot po la bangso uniform civil code plotante ilitum la bangso aron ke tum common lo ble kunam dena general lo lage khai pia tum ke khai so aron ke aning dok de da posi nangkelang rem apot khai pi tum aron si energy pusi bidikang lipen tabang so aron ke pincho lasi hala constitution ben tum lang chak e to te long ko Indian constitution lo lasi hala bang so constitution ke frame ile tum che than lo ile tum independence ke long ke 1947 pen long lo so pi pen selam ke lo lasi 2 years 11 month 18 days an ke constitution ke tok ke lang kang chap ka do ka besa army and the look hala bangso osi la bangso a uniform civil code a job lun chok lo lasi non congress atum puta ai ne tum ke thanga kem kle ke helo BJP atum si ke claim pu ci puji la tum ke la kai no ke cheoman ci ke odi atum ta hai puta ka lo pot ne tum ke claim ke non BJP tum si ke claim ko sedal la ke kali Prime Minister Kumar Lokiman hola so la ke history long doya constitution long lasi non akai sakri long parpal apor pilo lasi BJP ta Congress chok che pupo Congress ta BJP chok che pola sila tumba bahini kosong lo la tumba bahini ta chok che rape lomba kosong lo rat pan thanda kali de rara tumba hundeila
actually BJP ke like English kan pulo they are the two faces of the same coin tangka sikai
se coin long le puta langga ida velo pule langga jalo
see they are the two faces of the same coin pini BJP lo tenang ke Congress lo BJP lo lasi non tanam tu tekon ke BJP tu si Congress atun mono Congress atun si BJP nang man bom lasi lagi kama hujia thai be la ke BJP long si RSS tu la solam kali because RSS was first born during the time of Congress lalu amen first RSS tu mati Hindu Mahasabha bukan sih api Congress kan satu mang ceklan je cerna si ala Janata Party sen lo BJP nang mang lo ansi dan RSS ala Indra Gandhi ceklan ala so amen nang ladak nang dulu asila it's a long history lagi ceklan lo perlu nang jadi mo RSS bak ceklan nanti la Hindu Mahasabha la ke la RSS salam tak la ceklan nang lasi la article 44 long di gitu lah Uniform Civil Code kalau Indian Constitution masih itu lasi RSS itu BJP mulai ini mana pulau jadi nang tum APHL si tum la UCC ka oppose ke you are opposing Indian Constitution bukan lagi mana tu. Kasi ni liaran ni mana tu bangke we are not opposing Indian Constitution. We believe in Indian Constitution. De, मतलब क्या Indian Constitution bangke tu respect di. De respect di. Seta jadi karjugang tum bangke lah hello. If that UCC if that bill is passed in the parliament, le UCC a bill is the parliament pass the what are the safeguard for the tribes people? Especially in Northeast India. This is the question that we're talking about.
Apel ladak kapang hede di panelia pathar po tucet po. La silitum hala constitution kang cha lapen ilitum lam ka chedang lo ke ilitum kai tani di puer lo ilitum constitution bang hini ki thom itum la nei. Non article 44 bang di Indian Constitution a context lo. Whereas itum 6 idul pur lo program te hala dak itum kana hok kan punan. Kana hok to ko di. Itu Indian Constitution mopen pulo BJP yang mulai nak pulo 44 ke lage article 44 ke lage dan kau oppose ke lage dan mathang masih Indian Constitution kau oppose setelah lagi constitutional lage isi silang contohnya alam kali itu ke 6 schedule mati di la si 6 schedule along ba haladak lage tok pitang hok nupen la 44 atum override de ma override ma conflict doma be kache tong doma be kache bhong doma be hala bang si tumlang ni lasi laso te pulang nante article 44 te na namlo pulang nante totally 62 bang si tong me pulang ke why because long live hela di kache ti kache wa itu me civil customary lo ate bang ke la kache tong be pulang lagi civil itu mah civil di customary law as part itu mah civil case mah lagi citong back pula ke nasi
kaje ton nama ngali beri
kaje tong konflik itu tum do kok pula ke
citong tet
pula ke
citong tet
pula ke nasi itu mah right do mati ho bang 44 long tok paling lo lagi tu tunjuk pun implement pula ke
44 ke lagi Indian Constitution
lagi langsung
lagi itu pan ke lihat tadi aki ong ke itu metang Constitution de 6 itu lelu itu ke
lasi halamu pe ni pulo 44 long nang lo pulo ante long live pelang kache pangri kache ti kache wat kache son also mar ke andun ke pangre andun lapen kopine property ke bat kuma fansi piji malahai anda me itu 6 itu lo teng me lo so nei inge non Indian Constitution lang so pute 6 itu lo ke kopine kahe no itu alidar ke lage mangku mangram pula council atun ke tong thap tong pru po la uniform civil kota me pe lo ko se mathat turong tai
karena jadi udah lasi latest alam lo waktu ni hat ni tu malah macam so APHL se presiden Bikroman se kan itu dambong hur Delhi dan funang kolon lo Bikroman se ha ke orang ini kan funang bilo cik kita lo Delhi dan ini mana kerja ke we have spoken with all the states, all the people of Northeast, especially in Nagaland, Mizoram, even in Meghalaya also, and they oppose the Uniform Civil Code.
Yes.
And Nakum Karbi Anglong, why you are silent? Is there any organization that they are opposing that Uniform Civil Code? Amasinitum Buduno, yes. Now at present, we, the only APHLC, are opposing this Uniform Civil Code. Then I don't can help with definitely because we have our own constitution. That is the 62nd constitution of India. Like a Lapen.
La 22nd Law Commission of India. Alang litum notice issue law June Krip Li Arni. Kroi Jonan Bong ilitum komadne jong si apotido. Oppose ji pulo tante oppose dunangji pulo. June Krip clear pot non elitum pinike June from cap lo non nikre avelo nikrehini ambong elitum oppose dun vek nampo. Kadu eta elitum email pendame lapen ke click here to notice pen lapen le ilitum claim nun sita chok ilitum claim vek nan po lapen ke law PA ka law yung si ke topi pulota member secretary Law Commission of India 4th floor Lok Nayak Bhavan Khan Market New Delhi 110003 haladak si ilitum dog nang po pen complain nang po. Na penitum APHLC dengan complain vek ko laga teglor.
Apen ladak mo pen pulo na lagi puhedi mo pen ala BJP ang dit la nantum article 44 ka oppose ke lage anti India lo kata kalau puhedi. La kalilang aku itumhan article 19(1) ilong na putulan freedom of speech and expression logo ke. Itum government atum ake no alo ba ajat le claim puno tami itu ki pujin jala to ko ken oh hada karana pidun sudelo ako non itu tum supreme court chief justice DY Chandrachud da puno ke di nantum government atum ake claim ke chok che corruption le do non muni le cepat thi non aron re ke ne akon do tame nantum freedom of speech and expression abang implement pamini comment to implement okay until and unless if we raise our voice if we raise our voice and then if we find out the misdeeds done by the government, done by the council or done by anybody, it is our duty to do.
Command ne pul hai di, jen non hai tangli pulo. Article 44 jong si ilitum Kroi credit lote India birudhe si jong claim lo bodi. Until 244A ke India tu Kroi credit bonglo. Itu India tumda India birudhe claimer lo kente.
India lo tumda.
Oh, India lo ande Prime Minister ta. La Chief Minister ta kalang lo. La solma gali lage Ladakh pulo election high debt lo polling gali high debt ben non ake no claimer lo te la tumhan bisarun ke.
Law se pulo ke.
Non ta Brazil a presiden apa non ka bisar lok lo kente.
Lasi ilitum ke kada ilitum parliamentary form of government India da desa. Lasi hala England da lo setame England lo mangke once itum law ke pass lo tehdi it is very rigid. Setame India bangke hala England atum lo mangke parliament kopi mangke pass lo tehdi law ka setang lo. Setame India lo mangke unlike England. Parliament is not the supreme authority, but Constitution is the supreme authority. Constitution is the supreme law of the land, and all laws passed by the legislature must be consistent with the provision of the Constitution. Parliament le law passes the Constitution along ke dotang hormu, Constitution along ke dotang hormu, la kopima ake me hormu ansi. Implement uncoji. Parliament jong si implement desa. Aluk picu desa kenamtang farmer bills kedi. Latest lagi. Farmer bills along ke bang parliament cekoi lo. Ande people lo Punjabi atum ang tom kisan atum farmer atum tur pakpen. Aluk people lo pachibidru det ke. People lo undet ke. Lain lo.
Yes.
Constitution against kita lo kan deh, lagi definitely cibitro fake.
Non itu case manta constitution against no.
Against lo.
Ademe itu uniform civil code okay, 6 schedule long ke paragraph 4 and 5 along itu.
Kalam.
Hala suatu yang masih ke claim nanti.
Kalam.
Hala article 44 beli claim nanti kali.
Kalam.
44 yang sila paragraph 4 and 5 thang nancon jet pun nanti lagi lagi
Conflict of law.
lagi unelo lagi nancon jet undi.
Kalam.
Adema lah tak isia constitution bina kate.
Kalam losan.
6 schedule tak isia constitution lah tak.
Kalam.
Lah apu thang nancon jet undi.
Kalam. Lapen jongsi, lapulen apa cong meret pacet tong nang cong meret pulo teh sik sidur kasih lam isa mini kau lihat po.
Ala constitution na silang nolon de.
Silam nolo latang. Kalang lo.
Islam ni artikel Islam siya.
Kalang lo. Lasi kace tonte puajoy ni si itum ke separate puajoy ni si sik sidur nai pilo malisa.
Alang lo.
Lalo lasi itum kace ni nai bangke lasi government of India puno Assam puno ajala government ale nang claim posita aprang sike council para consent yang tekana lagi.
Law tu.
Law masih ketok lo lagi. Lasi council apa nang arjuna kok lasi itu autonomous council belum mati. Lasi state तुमने लोन apa pas itu council तुम टेंग तुमने देते implement उन्हें देते पुले.
Non kau pos ni te cuma council tu.
Council तुम लो.
La tuliram rong ha. La pena MP Horensing be ke hai si has parliament si Hong Kong nang ile alam ya ni ki China ile tibul ke teng nang ile na.
Latung ke asa dik kace thang paralam kali lo parliament lo kali lo poisa komentu si ke dengloi ma pulo ka mekchon lo nalo sala.
Mikiro kora.
Komentu si la solar poisa rong kidu ke ratum han ka chomo soi pe la poisa kace thagoi ma hora jo a hor ador kiso 3 lakhs 4 lakhs a hor ki jun po che pangri loi ma lahai lo sa putar lo ma.
Leading lah cakap.
Mana ni themlong ya lah pahilo deh. Elected members mana ki putot ko khani. Autonomous state aphan punon ba ini tun Karbi Anglong aphan protection aphan punon hadi. Parliament nong punon ba prime minister nong punon minister nong punon hadi. Ba central government nong latum ekdom mane sono ekdom mane strongly latum a voice raise nong punon thegong le.
La ya
seta hadi. Alam hai. Strongly ni lam kaning je anta jene tene sai dei. Dei ni lagi putot ko khani. Ekdom mane lam kaning je board i jo. Ni tume thegong le. Sita hala ko mane PHLC tuma osomathan ke ther ka ho ha kumne rong soman ke ther ko mane ka opoi ing lare ong sakluk kate ho
La something ke tumda IPC CRPC na ko po na thade pawek lok ne la tumda wal lo.
na he mati alam lage lo ta independent se lam inje bolo na te banda respect na ni banda na kre sa na hala haku ko tai the
Ke ther tak ke non ke lai chepang play baba hai formula ke tumda ke. Lapen isona lama ke lai lo. Karbi hase chai unjot. Non ke damta arboretum nong di itu masa dulu ke tuliram ta la jim tun pamit po itu masih yang ta sarvan ke teng ke di non ma bukayan teng pada ne bukayan so ma di si yang macam tu biari dukan teng mai ma non ma la trading license kan kan tu teng mai ma adon doi masih ya
security se pona ko
security point nang ke sabun si bangan apa le huri aju tax
Oje dia ban beteng hai.
taxation officer ka dead ho
Oje dia ban beteng tha.
lang hai ma la tum Karbi pan ko ke teng
Namaskar sah. Kudan lo
a ken si ka chawon
Orang
ko
tua kai ban beteng hai.
Kalau lapen hison ini ki pugang tu mange ki putot kali lo ki pusip kali lo la Assam men komane minister bang pola akeng ga chordom di ki me sakang te kali la ne pui pabak ne akeng chordom ni pung te itum Karbi a travel ali da do pila akeng chordom ni hala Karbi la pen lo aswa a travel ak tek ser dum dola hala tum hana akeng chordom na long ni
Alay, Islam nang laki ngechordom. Aki ngechordom ke lagi Karbi atum long abe lagi. Aron abe lagi.
abe
Laki non pelotang ke lagi tumta Karbi Anglong autonomous council apen tim Karbi Anglong tak abangso uniform civil code kecil Kroi nang kecil baklang lagi. Lagi Hindu po ala bangso adhormol long bangso kecil Kroi nang keglo tu. Punang kopo.
lapen therak me meki itum se thang par na da honglam sini nang koi itu malong lenang jor pilap itu masa kuri nang pawir pilap itu ma riso apar jang tum Bangalore Chennai damchong dadam nang sakuri long lepen hanang thisa set ni lapen lakali non da long le ke jor lason se ke ther ke hap ke theng lason adida tum bansi ke chidama ja keng ka chordom bode ne methang amethang ka jama thamanga re pita sitame lo teng de ne lu pik mobe na mikir okora and they are still mikir okora ko ka except atum musine puna ko
Extremely lutil tak.
aho alam lo lagi
Ding dia
Ding, dia lo.
Ding de, cekrong dun de, apa you?
Stay special semen deng di.
Ne ipel jesi ke kapal vegi lah sao mikiro korage, kapal vegi akan blok sih itu claim le.
Bang siksi dulu ngai putar
Ding de lo itu manggil lagi.
siksi dulu pulo nang me thang itu pan tribal areas nang pidet ke lake nang me thang cari lo pulo. Me thang cari lo pada bang yang jordong ne kam abile lagi. Lapen nang tum jongsi power si jor bom lang pada bang aking kacordom co kali lo bang sakuro kanya pula ke cetum.
Lapen sila ni gitu sila aport hamlet po. Non la uniform civil code long la puthak. Karbi Anglong ke tentang BGP intellectual myth walong. Kalau dakta nong nam ke long atum dulu. Lasi alang li tumta wa bangso uniform civil code aputhak Kroi luma. Nira bangso question mang raralong lam klar katukan tu. Lapen Karbi lamen amai penta la bangso aputhak ninje hima itu aport alang teman-teman jonghong po. Lapen Karbi Cultural Society mate KCS penta me Prabjin pen nitumta Kroi krep wa bang KCS Central Committee pen bangso resolution bang en haima. Lapen non Karbi lamen amai. Lapen kaprek ham song dolang. Nitung la bangso aputhak Kroi krep resolution and haima itu aport jonghong lo laso alam ke klamang ke Meghalaya long Khasi Hills Autonomous Council Garo Hills Autonomous Council atumta Joint Autonomous Council atumta bangso kene bangke Kroi krep bangke council lo masih pai jatsa la bangke la situmta la bangso la bangke tumta arjupa me nei la bangke
Akhirnya kita perlu lah sih, lah umur sing kiso kaning jalan sih jalan le reply bikon po, lah non solar project ke bangke lah ke jasmet border kacera kome parku. Solar project nang elote border job ko guna lo to ke. Solar project nang som lo pote tungkar bi job ko guna lo to ke. Lake totally si border ara pan ke palu lage. Jong si border protection bi pote asol pola sang kuno, asol nang kuno nang industry nang set up no asol.
Wal kim no.
Wal kim mo par that 2-3 kilometer make par thaji hele teng le na ta uni lo border le ki moda lalote protection lo non bange kilo malong le ki thi ba bidi cha la se don mari tu pene me talk on 62 to the Constitution of India and autonomous state 328 episode long ake sar kirong phar sar je ka thar la pen sar kursing ti mong na tum bang thom afanda me na ke pha teng pen la dak studio long ke bang pon pot akero ki party lo la pen pene we nang kalang na korte la pen injer to han da me ninga lo pen choro lo pen chuning rilo nang tum phat share tha la pen nang tum Cetan cimung tanang le tum tame, lapen kupine doubts polotan de hala constitution nang tum puri tha. Athema pina nongdung atung ke itum ke than bang prohibited tai. Stame nang tum platform choti polotan de constitution chamon constitution purno hadaksi nang tum ha hokalam pimane tum ke thanalam halap dak sang tum kelong epo. Lapen we doction 6 to the Constitution of India and autonomous state along bangke itu masuk bangke lapan se kang tono ado kabe panda nang kelang tum arar phan andame ajo ke me kado